Guys, how you guys can fix your TikTok's notification not working. So if TikTok notification is not working, you're not going to receive any notification on your TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix that, so you guys can again start getting notification. So I can click on the three dot at the top of my screen over here, and I can go on settings and privacy. Once I go on settings and privacy, you can see push notification. Once I click on it, it's going to be all grayed out because my push notification is turned off from my mobile setting. So first I need to allow notification of TikTok on my phone, then only I can come over here and turn on my notification, and that's the process which I'm going to be showing you. In the first step, what you want to do is close your TikTok on your phone setting, and on your phone setting you want to find TikTok from over here. Alright, so I'm going to find TikTok. So once you see TikTok over here, just like in my screen, it is right below Telegram. Click on TikTok. And over here, you can see where it says notifications over here. It's turned off. So click on notification and turn on your notification. Once your notification on your setting for TikTok is turned on, go back to your TikTok. Once you go on TikTok, go on your profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top of your screen. And then go on versus setting and privacy. Over here you can click on push notification, and over here your notifications will be turned on. And if you want to turn off some certain areas, like you don't want to get notified for every single like, you can turn off likes, and for comments as well you can turn off. You can customize over here and choose whichever notification you want to receive. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can get notification on your TikTok, or how you guys can fix your notification not working.